Hey guys, how's it going? It is Chris here from nuppfx, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to attempt to repair my wife's heels using a little sliver of wood, mounting it on the bottom, shaping it up, and then recoloring it. So let's just jump right in. Pretty well. I just used the tape that was wrapped around to clean up the rest of the shoe to make it look nice again. But after that spray paint job, I think it blends in very well. Now I'm not sure how this is going to hold up while she's walking around, so if you want to stay up to date on that, I would suggest following my Instagram page at nuppfx. The link is down in the description below, along with a bunch of other links that help support the channel and help me keep creating and doing this YouTube channel for you all. So hopefully you guys are staying safe, staying healthy. I know this was a short video. Hopefully this helped someone out that you know, or maybe it helped you out so that you don't have to go and buy a brand new pair of shoes. You can just find some scrap wood, sand it up, attach it, paint it, and it looks like it's supposed to have been there this whole time. So again, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.